We at ECD are delighted to introduce our newest product to the ECD lineup, the stunning Jaguar Etype. This 1970s Series 3 open two-seater is finished in full gloss racing green with factory chrome accents. The Seattle Commission sits on 16-inch chrome finish multi-spoke wheels. All original bumpers and trimmings are chrome and have been finished to a more subtle Euro spec rather than the US spec with extended rubber stops. Inside, the Seattle Commission features a 15-inch original style steering wheel with Smith's gauges. Our philosophy of making every vehicle we touch a GT is heightened by the superb Recaro seats replacing the originals. Each seat is finished in a traditional stitch pattern with Spinneybeck Veluto Pele leather stitched together in Chinese Russ. You could drive hundreds of miles sat in these seats without discomfort or fatigue. The Seattle Commission is powered by a 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. We've kept the original style exhaust setup including fantail for a more traditional note in line with the factory setup. This Series 3 E-Type also features an array of modern touches inside, such as strong AC, a touch button shifter, premium Infinity Kappa speakers with a classic head unit and charging points all tucked away in the centre console to keep everything in the cabin looking clean as it should be. We can't wait for our first E-Type, the Seattle Commission, to hit the roads out west.